Hi, I'm Ashandra. I'm studying in Alif International School. Today we had robotics in our school conducted by Airbus, and it was really helpful. It taught us about the metro in Riyadh, and it showed us how to code the metros, and it was really helpful. We learned how many lines we have and the station.
And we created a replica of the metro that is currently being built in Riyadh. And it was an interesting and exciting, engaging, and fun experience for everyone. I built a robot that could track the black lines against the white and make a path across the map of Riyadh. I study in Alif International School, and thank you, Airbus Foundation.